A few months ago, I went through a situation where I was away from home due to the sickness of a loved one. And we were stuck in a situation where we had to be with him in those few weeks, in those last few weeks of his life, alhamdulillah. And in that moment, I really realized the power of dua, and looking at a sick person and realizing you have nothing but to ask for Allah's help and Allah's mercy in that moment. And being far from home and emotionally and physically and everything, distant from everything in the world that you're used to, you really realize that at the end of the day, Islam is my home. And that's where I found kind of that, I found Islam in that moment.
If you're benefiting from this content, then please make sure to click subscribe and make sure that you turn on your notifications.